Hola buddies, this is Jay here, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Learn with Jay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So moving on to today's content, today we're going to see about the 10 most useful shortcuts used in VS Code. And if you are a beginner, this video would be really helpful, and using this in front of your friends can also make you look cool. And now moving on to VS Code to demonstrate these for you. The first shortcut that I'm going to talk about today is the command palette shortcut, and that command palette shortcut will probably turn out to be the most used feature of VS Code for you if you're new to the editor. It presents you every functionality, shortcut and configuration option in the form of searchable list. You can also search shortcuts in this command palette, you guys, and you can also learn through it. And the next shortcut that I'm going to talk about today is the search file shortcut. And if you ever want to search a piece of text in your project file, you can use it. Here I'm using while keyword text to search the while keyword in my code, and I'm also using the prime keyword, which is a function in the code, and it also helps us to locate the prime keyword in the whole code. If you're using big codes and you want to find a particular function in it, you can use this and it will be easy. The third shortcut I'm going to talk about today is the delete previous word shortcut. It helps you save a lot of time and avoids accidental deletion caused by usual way of holding down the backspace, and we tend to delete the whole line sometimes and you have to retype it, and it avoids that hassle, and using the shortcuts makes your life easy. The next shortcut I'm going to talk about today is a select text word by word shortcut. So you guys, instead of using click and dragging to select the text, you can go for various keyboard shortcuts, and one of the shortcuts is this. It selects the word select the text word by word, and it helps you to achieve the correct combination of keywords that you're gonna select, and it also avoids hassle, and it also saves a lot of time, and it avoids you to retyping the certain word which you have deleted using backspace. So the next shortcut we're going to see is the move line up and down shortcut. So if you want to move a certain piece of code to a different place, you always use cut and paste option, right? So instead of using that, you can use this option to move a line up or down. So it avoids you from using the cut and paste option, and this is way much easier, right guys? So the next shortcut that we're going to see today is the add multiple cursors shortcut. And multiple cursors in VS Code are great time savers, guys, I am telling you, and this can help you give indentation in your code, which in Python is sometimes really necessary, right? And you can also use this in multiple places like giving comments and all. So the next shortcut that I'm going to talk about today is the delete the line shortcut. And using delete the line shortcut, you can delete one whole line in just this one shortcut. And instead of pressing backspace for one whole line, you can use the shortcut and delete it easily. And the next shortcut is commenting lines. Commenting lines is to test some newly written codes. We comment old lines. So using this shortcut, you can either comment a single line, or in turn you can comment multiple lines into comments at once. Either way it is possible. Use comment line shortcut. And then the last shortcut we are going to talk about today is the toggle sidebar shortcut. And using this shortcut, you can easily toggle between the sidebars. And finally, a bonus tip too. And the bonus tip is split view. VS Code allows you to split view while editing your files, so that you can have multiple files open at the same time on the screen, and it helps you to code easily. And that's all for today. Happy learning. Bye guys.